Welcome, super spellers! I'm Sparkle, the spelling star, and I have a magical spelling game for you today. This one is all about the vowel team IE. The vowel team IE is tricky because it can represent two different sounds. The long vowel sound E, like we hear in the word field, and the long vowel sound I, like in the word pie. But don't worry, here's a short poem to help you remember the two sounds. IE is a vowel team with two sounds to try. E as in field and I as in pie. Before we start the game, I'll give you a little hint. IE will usually make the long I vowel sound when it comes at the end of a one-syllable word, like pie. Or when we have a word like dry, and the Y is changed to an I before adding a suffix, like when we spell the word dried or dries. If the vowel team IE is in the middle of a word, it will usually make the long E vowel sound, like in the word field. Notice that when I gave you the hints, I said usually, not all of the time. That's because there are almost always exceptions in the English language. This means our brains have to be flexible with our vowel sounds when we're reading. We may have to try both sounds if we're not sure of the word. Now that you're IE Vowel Team pros, it's game time. Here's how to play. When you see this on a slide, read the word. Decide if you say the long E sound or the long I sound in the word. You'll have 10 seconds to decide before the timer runs out. If the word belongs in the long E sound basket, make a closed fist with your hand, just like the letter E. If the word belongs in the long I sound basket, hold up one finger, just like the letter I. You'll earn a sparkle sticker for each right answer. Are you ready? Me too. Let's play. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. You're off to a great start holding up one finger. The word is tried, and we say the long vowel sound for I when we read the IE vowel team in this word. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. You did it again. A closed fist is absolutely right. We say the long E vowel sound in the word peace. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. Way to go! We say the long I vowel sound when we read the word lie. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. Awesome work, super spellers. The word is brief, and we say the long vowel sound for E in this word. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. This was a tricky one, but you got it. We say the long vowel sound for E at the end of the word cookie. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. I love seeing those fingers up to show me that the word fries has the long I vowel sound. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. There's another sparkle sticker coming your way for the word thief. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. You've definitely got the hang of this, super spellers. We say the long vowel sound for I in the word tie. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. You are amazing. We say the long vowel sound for I in the word cried. Hold up a closed fist for the sound E. Hold up one finger for the sound I. This was the last word and you nailed it. We say the long vowel sound for E in the word chief. Way to go, superstars! You figured out when we say the long E vowel sound and when we say the long I vowel sound in 10 words with the IE Vowel Team. Here's the last sticker on your chart, a shining star, just like all of you. I hope to see you soon for more spelling and reading fun.